Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hi friends, let's play a guessing game. Can you guess the right animal name? Let's begin. I am the king of the jungle. Who am I? Tiger, cheetah, lion. Yes, you're right, it's a lion. I have a long trunk and big ears. Guess who? Giraffe, tiger, elephant. Yes, it's an elephant. I slither and hiss. I don't have legs. Who am I? Crocodile, snake, lizard. Correct, I'm a snake. I hop and have long ears. I love carrots. Elephant, rabbit, horse. Correct, I'm a rabbit. I can talk and I'm very colorful. Who am I? Peacock, parrot, owl. Yes, you are right, it's a parrot. Well done friends, you guessed the right animals. Keep learning and having fun. See you in the next video. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.